Welcome to all students of class 9th. Today we are solve chapter 2. Your chapter 2 is polynomial. What is polynomial? So we can say easily definition of polynomials is a polynomial is a functions of the form of fx where fx is equal to an x to the power n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 dash 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 plus a1x plus a0. Okay, and here an cannot be 0 and all exponents are whole number. You know whole numbers are 0 1 2 3. We can say that completely number, not should be minus. Okay, minus in point 1.5 is not a whole number. Okay, and here n is the degree of polynomials. N is degree and an is the leading coefficient. Okay, and a0 is a constant term. This is constant term. This is the definitions of polynomials. Now I explain again by the example. Suppose this is equations, this is a polynomials. Here exponent powers is 2 3 1. These are exponent. Okay, and 1 2 3 4, these are terms. So polynomials have whole numbers, so this is a polynomials. If suppose यदि ये numbers होते, here -2 and here upon x plus 2, so these are not a polynomials. Okay, now again polynomials are divided by three parts. First, monomials, binomials and trinomials. A polynomials of algebraic expressions with two and more terms. Okay, if one term is present, so polynomials are called monomials, and suppose two terms are present, so this is binomials, and suppose three terms are present, so this is trinomials. Okay, if four terms, suppose four terms, so there's also polynomials, also called a polynomials. Okay, now here terms are separated from the sign plus or minus. Okay, this is trinomials, this is binomials, and this is monomials. Monomials is equal to one term, monomials is equal to one term, binomial is equal to two terms, and trinomial is equal to three terms. Okay, remember that monomial is equal to 1, binomial is equal to 2, and trinomial is equal to 3. Remember that. And next, degree. So highest power, highest exponent is called a degrees of polynomials. Here is one example. So the degree of this equations is 3. Okay, because 3 is the greatest power of these equations. Now coefficient. What is coefficient? Coefficient means multiply by x cube, x square and x. Those numbers are multiplied by degrees. So these are called coefficient. Suppose this is equations 6x cube minus 4x square plus 8x. Here the coefficient of x cube is 6 because 6 is multiplied by x cube. Okay, and ask coefficient of x square, so x square is multiplied by minus 4, and ask coefficient of x, so x is multiplied by 8, so coefficient of x is equal to 8. Okay, and degree is highest power. Now some examples. Here this is equations, so coefficient of this equation, coefficient of x cube is equal to 5, and in these equations coefficient of x cube is equal to 4, and in these equations coefficient of x cube is 0 because x cube is not present here. Okay, and in these equations coefficient of x cube, so this is also 0. If asked coefficient of x in D, so coefficient of x is equal to minus 3. It is clear? Now the last types of polynomials by the power. So if the equations is 2 term and 1 power, so this is called linear, and when asked quadratic, so here the power of quadratic is 2 and cubic will be 3. Okay, types of polynomials. First, linear. Linear has 1 power, quadratic has 2 power, and cubic has 3 power. This is the difference between linear, quadratic and cubic equations. Now exercise 1 is here. In this exercise 2.1, firstly question number 1, we have to find which are polynomials or not. So polynomials has whose power will be plus. Okay, now this is your homework. Next, question number 2, write the coefficient of x square. So find all questions, part A, part B, part C and part D, coefficient of x square only. Okay, now question number 3, write an example of binomial. Binomials means, I am repeat, mono, bio, trio. Mono means 1 term, bio means 2 term and trio means 3 terms. So we are writing examples of binomials whose degree is 35. Suppose a is equal to a to the power 35. This is binomial. But a plus a to the power 35 plus b, this is binomial because there is here 2 terms are present. Now, and monomials of degree 100, so we can write a to the power 100. Monomial means 1 term. And question number 4, write the degrees, so you are easily write this. And question number 5, classify linear, quadratic, cubic. Linear has 1 power, cubic has 2 power, quadratic has 3 power. So you are find quadratic, linear and cubic polynomials. So this exercise you have to solve in your homework. Okay, thank you.